AHPI stock, Allied Healthcare Products Inc., is up 55.05% in this session of the 30th of July 2021, trading at $9.21. $82.4 million shares have crossed the tape, and it is above average. And you know what? This stock is just pretty much like the ones we've been observing of late. Healthcare slash biotech related stock with a small float. You can see that 4.0014 million shares outstanding, running up double digits, close to sometimes above 50% or even more, sometimes less, sometimes in triple digits. Yes, so that's what's going on. There isn't any news out there. There isn't any news. So one more criteria. Okay, it didn't meet the other criteria, which is that it may have been trading below all of its moving averages, and that's not the case. As at the last session, it was not trading below all of its moving averages, but at some point, indeed, sometime this month it was trading below all of its moving averages. And previously it had never really behaved like that for several months, for several weeks, I believe. Yes, this is all the way, okay, yeah, for about a month or thereabout, it was trading below all of its moving averages. It extended but did not spike like it didn't gap like this. You can see that this was a gap. This is the 9th of July, and the top here is okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's a 13th, so it's a two-day gap. So even at that 9th of July, so 12th of July. Okay, so it's from the 12th. It had a gap. It gapped. 12th was a Monday, so it gapped, and then on the 13th, you see that. So even at that 12th, it was still pretty much trading below all of its moving averages, even though it had already started to extend. So, but that's what's going on. So let's quickly see what's going on live for the stock. It's currently up 58.34%. So this is the 1 minute live model right now. Its momentum is strongly bullish. MACD is easily above the signal line. RSI for 14 days is also strong at quite strong, yes, at least above 50 at 61 point, roughly at 61 right now. So the signals for that 1 minute model is as strong as very much of a bullish one. So you can see what's going on here as well. This is obviously the one we saw on the website. So this is daily model, and all of its moving averages are sloping bullishly upwards. I believe this 200-day moving average may also be doing so. So the signals are just pretty much the same, very much bullish. I know of late market participants, the viewers of our channel, have been asking for targets, price targets, and all that stuff. So do we have any? Let's see if it has any price target here. It doesn't have any price target. We don't have any price target as such for the stock, but easily the stock is strongly bullish and extending. 10-day volatility is at 179.13, so not so bad, not so much as such. So what is certain is that well, if we go by what we have seen here since this month, yes, this stock, there's a good chance it will also retrace. There's a good chance we may retrace all the way down between $6 and $5.5. There's a good chance that may be the case. And since it reached this 9.06 high, which it's 52, I think it's not its 52-week high. It's not its 52-week high, but since it reached that, it has also now exceeded it with what's going on now. So, but if what is going on right now, if it's recent history is a guide, I think, that's just like as I indicated. It may pull back again to between $6 and $5.5, and I wouldn't want to say that after doing that it will extend again, but the comfort here is that so far it is doing this without any news as such, so when there's a positive news, then that would be really good. But if you really want to get involved with this stock, I would advise you to wait for it to pull back. If the history is anything to go by, then it does pull back, so just wait for it to pull back before you get involved. We have not done any due diligence. We haven't dug in to see the sort of things they are involved in. But what is going for the stock, amongst other things, is its relatively small shares outstanding. It will always also it will lead to gaps, very very high highs, and also very very sharp lows, very painful lows as well. So it's definitely going to be a volatile stock. You can see market cap of $23.8 million. Easily a lot of young folks now, a lot of young folks in participating in the market today in their 20s, have up to $20 million in their account. I wouldn't say that there are thousands of them, but at least a few hundreds they are there currently now, because of what has this finance democratization that has occurred. For a lot of people, especially people in their early 30s and their 20s. So easily you can see if an individual like that does his research, he can easily just, if you can imagine, only $10 million will definitely force the stock will to skyrocket, and all that stuff. So, but that's just the theory and all that stuff. So, in any case, though, just as I indicated, it has run up this extension of about what is it now, 57% now. So I would just really advise to wait for it to pull back, correct, or consolidate, as the case may be, before you get involved. Okay, so we can't for now, our price target is that it's going to retrace. That's our target. It's in the near term, we expect it to pull back, but going forward after that, would it go up again? There is no guarantee, and we are not really going to say anything about that. Okay, so thank you again for watching this video.